wanna be electrified. Feel the rhythm deep inside. From a distance it commands a sound that travels across the lands. Syncopated steps singing on, glowing neon shining bright. Bodies swaying in the air to the swing we all declare. Electric rhythms in the air, moving bodies without a care. Feel the pulse, let it take control. Electro swing, it feeds our soul.
Oh, hi, I'm Jen and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing a super fun tutorial. We're actually going to be collaborating with Rod Howell from United Taps to bring you a really fun combination to the song Electric Rhythms. So this song is a super jazzy, very swingy song, so much fun for tap dancers. And if you want to download the song for free, just head to the link below in the description and download it directly from United Taps. I'm teaching the first half of this tutorial, so when you're finished learning it from me and you're ready for the next part, head to the link in the description below and head to United Taps channel and learn the second half from Rod. And now, without any further ado, let's get started. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, do the thing. All right, so the first step that you guys are gonna do is a dig and then a toe. So you have your heel, you place it on the ground, dig, but don't put any weight on it because you're gonna want to immediately pick it back up and then put your toe behind you. So it's dig, toe. So you want all of your weight in your left hip as you do that. Dig, toe, because you want all the freedom of movement on the right leg. Now, the dig to the toe, rhythmically, that's a very, very straight rhythm. It's 1 and. Or, how did I write that out? I guess I have it as 1, 2. It's a 1, 2. 1, 2. Now, the rest of this line is so swingy. Like I said, the song is very swingy, so a lot of the rhythms in here are gonna be very swung. This starts out with 1, 2, and now we're gonna take the rest of it in a swing. You have full lap, ball change, stamp, stamp. So just the steps without the rhythm. It's dig, toe, full lap, ball change, stamp, stamp. Rhythmically, this is where it gets a little challenging. You have 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 8. I don't even want to explain how long it took me to count that out for myself earlier. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 8. So the dig toe is 1, 2. Full lap is 3 and 5. Then you have 6 and on the ball change, and then and 8, stamp, stamp. So you have like a little pause between all of those items. 1, 2, 3, and 5. I cannot do this. 1, 2, 3, and 5. That. So imagine that those snaps, that's so hard. Try that because it's really fun once you get it, but like snapping in the silences is so hard. So imagine that those snaps are holding that silence. It's 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 8. So now let's take out the snaps and leave the silences where they belong. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 8. Good. Let's go a little bit faster. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Good. All right, one more time just to make sure we have that at tempo. Then we'll move on to the next part. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 8. Good. Now we're going to take the rhythmic confusion down a notch, and you have 2 tack annies. Spank, touch, step, spank, touch, step. So you want to keep yourself grounded and able to move your hips into move your weight into one hip or another. You have spank, touch, step, spank, touch, step, and then you have spank pas de bourrée or back essence, spank ball, change, step. So, 2 tack annies and a back essence. Spank touch, step, spank touch, step, spank pas de bourrée. Yeah, so let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Okay, let's add it to the top. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. So that's the rhythm. So right away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. All right, let's try it again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome. Okay, from there, your left foot is free. You have a little drag with some stylized arms. You have 1, 2, 3. Then you have 4 and 5 and 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6, 7. So that is drag, 1, 2, 3, step, shuffle, ball change, and then either a step or a stamp. I like the stamp because it gives it a little accent, but if you would prefer to do the step, that's up to you. Usually I give lots of options, but I collaborated on this, so I don't know how many options I can really give, but this is for your own practice, so take the options that you need to take. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7. So let's try that together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7. Good. To finish off this half of the combination, like I said, it's like super short. To finish off this half of the combination, you have flap, heel, flap, heel, heel, stamp. So that's right, left, flap, heel. And now flap, left heel, right heel, stamp. And it's got a nice swing to it. Da 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 da. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 5, and and. So let's try it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you hold like the rest of the 8 count. All right. So let's go from drag and then add that part on. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Step, shuffle, ball change, step, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, stamp. So there is a hold between that stamp and the flaps. Now that we know that, let's try that again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good. All right, so can we try the whole thing? And then we'll do it with music a couple times. All right? So from the whole thing, from dig toe. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. Yeah? All right, let's try that again one more time, and then I promise it makes more sense with the song. All right, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. Good. All right, you guys ready to try it with the song? It's gonna be a lot of fun. All right, let's give it a shot. I will count you in.
Down and be electrified. Feel the rhythm deep inside.
Ready?
From a distance it commands a sound that travels across the lands.
5, 6, 7, 8.
With steps in
have this turned up enough for y'all. And now that we know what that sounds like and that I completely lied to you about what the tempo was, let's try that again. It started and I was like, oh, that's so much faster than I told them. But it's okay. We're working our way up to it. Let's try it again. This time we're just gonna get a little bit more comfortable.
Down your beat, electrified. Feel the rhythm deep inside. From a distance it
Ready?
commands a sound that travels across the lands.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Syncopated steps and all glowing neon shining bright. Bodies swaying in the air to the swing we all play. Electric rhythms in the air.
All right, now that we're getting used to that tempo, let's try it again. And now this time we're gonna get even a little bit more comfortable. We're gonna do a 4-rounder, I promise. Just a little bit more comfortable. And yeah, let's try it.
Down your beat, electrified. Feel the rhythm deep inside. From a distance it commands a sound that travels across the lands.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Syncopated steps and all glowing neon shining bright. Bodies swaying in the air to the swing we all play. Electric rhythms in the air.
All right, we got one more in us. All right, so let's try it. This time, have some fun with it. You learned the first half and you did it. So let's have fun with it, okay? And then as soon as you're done with this, as soon as you're done learning it from here, you can practice it as much as you want to up to that point, and then go learn the second half. This doesn't have to be the last time that we do it. But for filming purposes, it is. So I'm saying, like, just have fun with it, okay? But once you're done with this, do not forget to go over to United Taps, learn the second half so that you can learn the full combination. It is such a cute dance. I love this dance so much. All right, ready? Last time, make it fun.
Down your beat, electrified. Feel the rhythm deep inside. From a distance it commands a sound that travels across the lands.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Syncopated steps and all glowing neon shining bright. Bodies swaying in the air to the swing we all play. Electric rhythms in the air.
All right, I hope you had so much fun learning this with me. This was so much fun to just do. The choreography collaboration process was an absolute blast, so thank you, Rod, for having me. This dance is adorable. I love it so much, and I hope you guys have a lot of fun with it. Do not forget to finish this combination. Go to United Taps' channel. All the links are down below. You can also just search for it if you don't feel like reading through the description. But the second half is available on his channel, so make sure that you go learn this. And if you decide that you want to, send us a video and show us what you learned, we would love to see it. So please do that. But yeah, so much fun today. And let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this type of piece and if you learned the second half and how much fun that was. Please let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the Tap fam. We've got choreography tutorials like this, step tutorials, technique exercises, and fun things like collabs on this channel. It's all tap dance, it's for free, and it's all for you. So make sure that you subscribe. Also, speaking of free, do not forget to download this really, really amazing song for free at United Taps. So that link is down below as well. While you're at it, let's give a thumbs up for the collab. Okay, let's give a thumbs up for this dance, the collab, and the fact that I had the wherewithal to go, I'm gonna get fully dressed today. No, but yeah, thumbs up helps the algorithm with all tap dance channels. So you're gonna help my channel out and United Taps and all tap dance channels out there when you thumbs up a tap dance video, because it tells the algorithm that people like tap dance. And we want the algorithm to know that because it's true. So subscribe, thumbs up, learn the other half. Thank you so much, Rod from United Taps. And as always, thank you for dancing with me.